In this video, I want to talk about how you can unblock your eToro account. Now, if for some reason your account has been blocked, you will get an email telling you why you got blocked. So go check your email, and if it's because someone tried to log into the account or stuff like this, you should be able to see it on the email. Now, inside of there will also be instructions on how you can fix it, so just follow through with those. Now, if for some reason you cannot find the instructions or you don't see any email or anything to help get the account back, I suggest you head over and go to the help and resources. If you cannot click on this because you cannot log in, just head over to etoro.com/learn-more and you can come in here. So open up the chat here with the AI. Just keep in mind this is an AI, but you can just chat with the AI and they will be able to help you. So just check if this one can fix the problem for you. Otherwise, I suggest you go and search for eToro support and you will be able to chat with the support even if you're not logged into an account. So this is the easiest way to do this, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.